Thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to transform a poop into a watermelon poop. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be the first to draw with me. We're going to start with the bottom of the poop on the right hand side. We're going to draw a curve and then draw a line over to the other side. This will be about how fat our poop is going to be. Then we're going to draw another curve and go in a diagonal line up to the other side and end with another curve. We're going to draw the eyes now so that we don't have any lines going through them later. We're going to put two ovals. For the mouth, we're going to put a line and a little V. Oh, I forgot to do the eyeballs. Put the eyeballs in the eyes. There we go. Now we're going to continue drawing the rest of the poop body. We're going to draw a curve on the left-hand side, a line up, and then another curve, just like we've already done. And again, on the left, a curve, a line up, diagonally, and end with another curve. To do the pointy top, we start on the left, we curve up, swirl up to a point, and then curve back down to meet the spot that we last had a curve on the right-hand side. Now we're going to transform our poop into a watermelon poop. We're going to draw a line on the bottom and then curve up. This is going to be the rind of our watermelon. We're going to do this on every section of the poop. You can see that each section is going to look like its own piece of a watermelon. Now we'll do the middle section. And then last we'll do one more on this top section. And there we go, the top section is done. Every watermelon needs seeds, so we're going to add some seeds to our watermelon. We'll add 3 on top. They're kind of like teardrop shaped. And I think we'll add one in the nose, just for some extra cuteness. There. Once you're done drawing, we're going to outline the whole poop with a permanent marker. Now, if you didn't finish drawing yet, you can always pause and go back. Otherwise, let's outline our poop. We're going to make sure we get every line. And this is where you can fix some mistakes if you had a few mistakes with your drawing. Don't forget to fill in the seeds. You want to make sure that they get filled in nice and dark. So every single part of our drawing is going to have the permanent marker on it. We're going to also outline the eyeballs and fill those in right away. I like to use permanent marker on the drawings because it makes everything have a finished look. Also, when you have the permanent marker and then you color marker over on the top, it won't smear. Make sure that when you do these lines for the rind that you don't get too close together. Otherwise, the Sharpie starts to close in and then you can't fill it in with any color. Get our little nose on there, outline the mouth, and then finish up. We've got 2 more sections to go. Don't worry if you get a little wobbly. It'll still look good when you're all the way done. And then one last section to go around the curve, and then one last piece of the rind. Now it's time to start coloring. There's only 2 colors that we need for our watermelon. I'm going to start with red first. And I'll speed some of this up so you don't have to watch me color the whole time. You can color right over the Sharpies on the seeds. It won't show. I like to go slow around the mouth and then speed up in the bigger parts. So go slow around the small spots and then you can speed up in the bigger parts. Okay, red's all done. Now we get to do green. There, your watermelon poop is all done. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos coming. We're going to transform a lot of poops and a bunch of other things. When you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be the first to draw with me.